What if just one bite could change the way your body feels? Forever. Most seniors don't realize they're accidentally sabotaging their strength every morning. But in today's video, you'll discover 5 simple foods that could help restore muscle like you're 40 again, backed by real stories and surprising science. One of them is probably sitting in your kitchen right now, and you've been using it wrong this whole time. This truth has changed lives, and it might change yours too. If you've ever felt stuck, comment below with where you're watching from, and let's uncover this secret together. Remember that one bite we mentioned, the one that could change everything? For Jim, a 65-year-old retiree from Ohio, that bite came in the form of something shockingly simple, an egg sandwich. Eggs are more than just breakfast food. They're a powerhouse of high-quality protein, healthy fats, and vital nutrients like vitamin D and choline, all crucial for muscle repair and growth. When paired with high-protein bread, they create a balanced, muscle-supporting meal that kickstarts your day with purpose. Jim used to feel drained by noon. After turning 50, his muscle tone declined, and walking upstairs started to feel like a chore. But once he made a small switch, starting his mornings with an egg sandwich layered with cheese and nestled in protein-rich bread, everything changed. Within just a few months, he noticed his strength returning and his energy lasting longer throughout the day. It wasn't a fancy supplement. It wasn't hours in the gym. It was a warm, satisfying sandwich he could make in minutes. That's the power of knowing what your body truly needs. Curious what the next secret food might be? Stick around. It gets even better. After Jim found his strength in a simple egg sandwich, the next question was obvious. What about the rest of the day? Enter the protein shake. But not just any shake. You see, many seniors grab a scoop of protein powder, toss it in almond milk or plain water, and call it done. The problem? That combo might be leaving your muscles underfed. Instead, try using whole milk as the base. It's not only richer in protein, but its natural sugars help transport amino acids straight to your muscle fibers, making the recovery and rebuilding process far more effective. Take Mary, a 72-year-old grandmother from sunny California. She's always loved staying active, gardening, walking her golden retriever, even dancing at family events. But as she got older, she started feeling weaker, like her muscles just weren't keeping up. Her solution? She swapped out her almond milk for whole milk in her daily shake. The results? Remarkable. She felt more energized during her morning walks, less fatigued during the day, and even noticed some muscle tone coming back in her arms and legs. Just like Jim, Mary discovered that small, smart changes make a big difference. Ready to see the next surprising food that's quietly rebuilding strength? Keep watching. So after upgrading your protein shake like Mary did, what else can give your muscles the boost they need without hitting the gym every day? Let's talk about fats, but not just any fats. We're talking healthy fats, the kind that play a direct role in hormone production, especially testosterone, which is essential for building and preserving muscle mass as we age. This is where avocados come in. They're rich in monounsaturated fats, fiber, and key nutrients like potassium, all of which support hormonal balance and help fuel muscle recovery. A single avocado can make a powerful difference when added to a salad, toast, or even blended into your morning shake. Let me introduce you to Bob, a 68-year-old retiree living in Florida. For years, Bob battled low energy, weight gain, and a general sense that his body was slowing down. No matter how many walks he took or how many veggies he ate, nothing changed. Then he made one simple change. He began including half an avocado in his lunch and dinner every day. Within weeks, Bob felt more alive. He had more energy during the day and even began noticing a bit more definition in his arms and shoulders. Healthy fats weren't just tasty, they were transformative. Curious what food number 4 is? It's one most people forget, and it might be in your fridge right now. After seeing how something as simple as avocado transformed Bob's energy, it's time to rediscover a childhood classic, one that packs a surprising punch when it comes to muscle growth. Peanut butter and jelly. Sounds like something from a lunchbox, right? But with a muscle-focused twist, it becomes a secret weapon for seniors looking to regain strength. The key is choosing high-protein or sprouted grain bread, natural peanut butter, no added sugars or hydrogenated oils, and a light spread of organic jam. This combo offers a powerful balance of protein, healthy fats, and quick-digesting carbs, all working together to support post-workout recovery or a midday energy boost. Take Greg, a 63-year-old from Texas. For years, he steered clear of peanut butter, afraid it would sabotage his health goals. But once he learned how to pair it with whole grains and manage portion sizes, things changed. He started having a peanut butter and jelly sandwich a few times a week, usually after light resistance training or a morning walk. A few months in, his arms looked more defined, and his metabolism seemed to pick up. He even joked that his wife started noticing his college muscles again. Muscle food doesn't have to be boring. It can even taste like childhood. Ready for number 5? This next food helps you absorb all the protein you've been eating. If Greg's peanut butter and jelly success taught us anything, it's that even the most nostalgic foods can be upgraded for muscle health. And now let's talk about another comfort classic, oatmeal. But not just any oatmeal. We're turning it into the ultimate muscle-building meal. Oats are rich in complex carbohydrates, which provide the steady energy your body needs for workouts and recovery. But here's the secret. You need to supercharge it. Mix in a scoop of whey protein, a tablespoon of peanut butter, and even some sliced bananas or antioxidant-rich berries. This simple upgrade transforms your oats into a powerful breakfast, or even a post-workout snack. Susan, a vibrant 70-year-old from New York, had oatmeal almost every morning, but for years she kept it plain, just oats and maybe a sprinkle of cinnamon. When she started adding protein powder and peanut butter, everything changed. She told us her arms looked firmer, and even her balance improved on daily walks. She called it her muscle bowl, and now swears by it 3 times a week. Small additions, big results. Let's wrap it all up in a way that's easy to follow and even easier to live by. From Jim's egg sandwiches in Ohio to Susan's muscle bowl in New York, each story reminds us that building strength after 60 doesn't require fancy diets or extreme workouts. It just takes a few smart food choices done consistently. Add protein where you can, like eggs, oatmeal, and even peanut butter. Don't fear healthy fats like those in avocados. And when in doubt, remember, your meals are your medicine. Start with just one of these ideas this week. See how you feel. Then build from there. You have more control over your strength, energy, and independence than you might think. If this video gave you a new perspective, click like, hit subscribe, and share it with a friend or family member who could use a little motivation. This is Wellness Nest Daily, where small habits lead to strong, healthy lives. See you in the next video.